Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to discuss about how to estimate the square root of any number using speed maths technique. When I said number, it might be either a perfect square or a non-perfect square. You know that a perfect square is where we find a whole number for the square root of the number and not a decimal number, but in case of a non-perfect square, it is the decimal number that we are getting. So whatever be the case, in this episode let's learn how to estimate the square roots of 2-digit numbers or sometimes 3-digit numbers using some speed maths technique. Stay tuned, watch the video till the end, and feedback are welcome, and if you are not understood any single step, you can always comment there. Thanks. Estimate the square roots of perfect numbers first. So let's consider all these things first. You know that 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, and 10 square is 100. So let's analyze all the square numbers. See the last digit 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0. So you can see 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. These are the numbers where the last digit ends with. The last number ends with 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0. 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0. Okay, so you can never find a square number ending with the number digits 2, 3, 7 and 8. So you can find out if a number is a perfect square or not just by looking at the last numbers. If it ends with these numbers, you can immediately say that that particular number is not a square number. Perfect square 784, and let's evaluate the answer for this. You know that the last number ends with the digit 4, where you have the chances of 2 and 8. So the answer, the square root should end either with 2 or 8. Okay, this is about 784. Underline the last 2 digits, consider the number 7, leave out that middle number 7, and find out which are the 2 numbers where 7, the square root of 7 comes in between. For example, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, so 7 comes here, right? That means the square root of 7 should be in between 2 and 3. It definitely can't be 3, so it should be something 2 point something. Okay, we can't say it is 3 point something because 3 square is 9, so 7 comes in between, means it is closer to 2. So we have to take 2 as the number here. So it should be either 22 or 28. So take the next number of 2, so that is 3. 2 into 3 is 6, but this is 7. So we'll go with the bigger number 28. You know that 22 square is 484. So it should be obviously 28 square. So 28 square root of 784 is 28. Now let's extend this to a 4-digit number. For example, 5929 is a perfect square. Okay, so as I told you, underline the last 2 digits 29. We first find out which are the numbers that are possible to be the square root of this. So since it ends with 9, 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. So 3 and 7 are the possibilities. Take this number 59, find out which 2 numbers are the possibilities where the square root exists. That is, 8 square is 64, 7 square is 49. So this will be 64 and this is 49, where 59 should come in between this. The square root of 59 should be somewhere in this. Eliminate the possibility 8. So it should be 7 point something. So it should either be 73 or it should be 77. Multiply 7 by the next number, that is 7 into 8 is 56. But here you have 59, so this should be the answer. 77 is the square root of 5929. Okay, let's extend this furthermore. I am considering this number 15376 and I'm trying to find the square root of 15376. Okay, 76. So the possibilities for 6 are 4 and 6. 153. You know that 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169. So 153 should lie here. So we'll rule out this possibility. So it should be 12 point something. So either it is correct, 12 point something. We are not taking 13. Okay, 12. So either it should be 124 or 126. Okay, what is 12 into 13? Any idea? I have in my previous one of the videos I have mentioned you how to find out 12 into 13 first. 12 plus 3, 15, 150, 156. If you have not seen that video, please see the video how to estimate it, how to find out the answer fast without even the actual multiplication. So it is 156 here. 12 into 13. Here it is 153. And obviously it cannot be 126 now, it should be 124 because it might be more. So 124 will be the answer for square root of 15376. Estimate the square root of a non-perfect square, for example 37. So how to estimate this? So it's as simple as that. Just I'll tell you a method. I'll just explain to you why it works. So 37 lies in between 5 and 6, correct? 6 and 7, right? 6 square is 36 and 7 square is 49. So it should be 6 point something. Yes, it is 6 point, correct? 6 square is 36. What's the remainder here? 1 is the remainder. By double of 6, that is 12. This is the square root of estimated square root of 37. This is an estimation, approximation, okay? And this is not this may not be the actual value, but this is an approximated value where you can use this for the longer term calculations, etc. It is 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 you can find it out in the decimal if you want to need the decimal, or just 12 into 6, 72, 72 plus 1, 73, 73 by 12 you divide it, or you find out what is 1 by 12. So you will can find out the answer. 73 by 12. Let's do it fast. 12 6 are 72. 1 remainder, 0.0, 12 doesn't go there, 12 8s are 96, let the remainder be there. So 6.08 will be the approximate value. It's not, you can't say that it's equal to, you can check with the help of your calculator. Let's find out what is the approximate value of square root of value. We got it as 6.08. The exact value of root 37 is 6.08 is the exact value. So you can find out it is more or less it's correct. Okay. Yeah, let's go for a different question. Let's find out the square root of 17. So in between 4 and 5, right? 4 4s are 16. Yes, 4 4s are 16. Remainder is 1 by double of 4, that is 8. You know that 1 by 8. What's the value of 1 by 8? 0.125. So it is 4.125. The exact answer for square root of 17 is 4.12 for approximated for the 2 decimal places, and you can estimate that this answer is correct. Okay, so let's extend this further and let's find out the square root of 94. Okay, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100, so it should be 9 9s are 81, so it is 13 remainder by 9 square is 18. So 9 and 13 by 18. So you can find out what is 13 by 18. If you want in a decimal form, you can just find it out what is 13 divided by 18. It should be 7. 18 7s are 10 7s are 70. 8 7s are 56. So it should be 126. So it is 4. 40. 82s are 36. So 0.72. So it is 9.72. Let's check out the original answer for root 94 is 9.69. This more or less we can equate this. Okay, so now let us find out. Okay, let's find out the square root of 171. So 171, you know that 13 square is 169, 14 square should be 196. 6 and 9 interchanges for 13 and 14, remember that. 13 square is 169, so this should be 13. 169 in the sense 2 remainder by double of 13, that is 26. So this can further be simplified as 1 by 13, and you know what is the answer for 1 by 13. You know how to divide a number by 13. I've taught you in my previous video how to do this. 1 into 7 is 7, 7 into 11 is 77, 1 less is 76, so it should be 13.076, and the complement of this, let's forget about that, and we are estimating the answer for 2 or 3 decimal places, so it should be 13.076. Check out the answer in your calculator, and I think it should be 13.076.